Hi everyone, it's Vivian Resnick, 1% listing realtor in Tampa Bay, Florida. I have a new listing in the Greenbriar Community in Clearwater and want to share it with you. This solid block construction 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers 1,720 square feet of heated living space, a split bedroom floor plan. The location can't be beat. It's just minutes from Clearwater Beach, downtown Dunedin, shopping, restaurants. There's 2 airports nearby, Tampa and St. Pete Clearwater. The Greenbriar Community adds even more value with heated pool, clubhouse, fitness center, library. Whether you're looking for your forever home or a peaceful retreat, Greenbriar is the place for you. Now, let's take a tour. Remember, if you'd like to save thousands when selling your home and have your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at listforlessflorida.com or vivianresnick.com. Don't forget to follow me here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can hit the red button to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.